How to change font style in any Android device without any app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change font style in any Android device without any app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your settings on your device. You can easily see the current font style. To change it, tap Display and Brightness option. Scroll down. Choose font. Here currently it has been set to real choice and you can see the preview at top. You can swipe from left to the right and tap on the more icon to have the more options for the font style. Once you land on the section, you can scroll down and choose the right one according to your preferences. For me, let's try Sontree Hello button or the font style. So tap on the apply button and wait patiently until it gets applied. So when you come to the settings section or see the preview, you can see that it has been changed without any third-party application. Further, you can increase the font size as well with the help of the slider. So you can keep it to default, medium, large or very large. Also, you can tap on the apply button and the bottom of the screen to apply. If you don't want that, you can resize it again. So that is how we successfully change the font style in any Android device without any app. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.